Today we are going to continue our talk about journey into space. And let's start our lesson with the names of the planets in the solar system. Open your books at page 106. Exercise 16. Listen and repeat.
Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, Mars, Venus, Earth, Mercury, Sun. Planets.
Exercise 17. Let's do the quiz and collect planets. Check your answers with my examples. Which is the closest to the Sun, Mercury or Venus? It's Mercury. Which is the largest, Neptune or Jupiter? It's Jupiter. Number 3. Has got rings around it, Mars or Saturn? Yes, it's B, Saturn. Number 4. Has got 14 moons, Neptune or Mars? Yes, it's Neptune. In the fifth is the seventh planet, Uranus or Neptune? Yes, it's Uranus. And the last, do people call the red planet Mars or Venus? It's A, Mars. Now let's go. How many planets did you collect? If you have 5 or less scores, I think your spaceship broke down. If you have from 6 to 14, you can be a good astronomer or an astronaut. If you have 15, it's excellent. You are a star. Before doing exercise 18, I suggest you to remember the rules. Let's remember the tenses when we use present, past, and what do we use for telling about our future plans. Look at study spot. Zorg lives on a different planet. Lives, present simple. He went to Mars 3 months ago. When, past simple. He is visiting Earth now. It is present, just now activity. And he is traveling to Venus tomorrow. He is speaking about his future plans. Let's remember the tenses. Present simple. We use present simple when we are speaking about our routines and daily activities. For example, brushing teeth or going to school. You will say, I go to school, I brush teeth every day, or every hour, or maybe often, usually, always. You must remember that we use only base verb. For example, read, work, dance. But when we are speaking about third personal singular, for example, he, she, or it, we are to add the endings s. He reads, she works, it dances. Look at the example. They read, she reads. Past simple. We use this tense when we are speaking about last activities. For example, it was yesterday, last week, last year, or 2 years ago, 100 years ago, and so on. You are to remember that there are regular verbs which are changed with ending ed, wash, washed, look, looked, play, played, and irregular verbs. They have no rules, but they change into other form. They have second form. For example, go in present, but when in past. Fly, flew, do, did. For example, I do my home exercises every day and I did them yesterday. Present continuous, expresses the activities which are happening at the moment, but we also use it for future plans. For example, what are we going to do tomorrow, next year, soon? You are to remember that when we are speaking about myself, we use I am. When about third singular personal, he, she, it, is. And in plurals, you with they are. Look here. We add ending ing to the base verb. Read and complete. Sentence number 1. An ancient Greek, the sun hellos. Ancient Greek, it was in past, that's why called regular verb with ending ed. Look, 50 aliens out of the spaceship just now, so we are saying are coming. 3. Robots must now to find information. You can see the word now, that's why present continuous are exploring. William Herschel discovered Uranus in 1781. It was many years ago. The astronauts are leaving the moon tomorrow. It will be tomorrow in future. The moon travels around the earth almost once every month. It happens every month. You see, moon, it is once. That's why ending S. It was 1969 when Neil Armstrong walked on the moon. It was in past. Walked, regular verb. People use telescopes when they want to look at the planets. Present simple, simply use. And now let's play, listen to the questions and answer for them. Try to answer these questions yourself.
What did the ancient Greeks call the sun?
Helios.
Who discovered Uranus in 1781?
William Herschel. Why are robots exploring Mars now?
To find information.
Where are the astronauts going tomorrow?
To the moon. When did Neil Armstrong walk on the moon?
In 1969.
How many aliens are coming out of the spaceship?
50. How often does the moon travel around the Earth?
Almost once every month.
Your home task is exercise 18, page 107. You are to make up your 5 own examples in different tenses: present simple, present continuous, and past simple. And also you are to remember all the names of the planets in the solar system.